They said it was impossible. A fully self-sustaining aquarium. No water changes, no test kits, no maintenance, just perfect balance forever. But what if I told you, one man and one AI actually did it? In this series, we're following Mr. X, an ordinary hobbyist who secretly gained access to a super AI unlike anything the aquarium world has ever seen. Today, the AI is tasked with solving the holy grail of fish keeping, the zero-maintenance, perfectly balanced aquarium. For decades, aquarium keepers have chased one dream: stability. But every system we've built, from biological filtration, chemical buffers, automated dosing, all require some level of hands-on care. Even planted tanks, Wallstad methods, and high-end reef systems still need human intervention. But Mr. X asks his super AI one simple question: design me a system that takes care of itself forever. The AI begins with full access to global aquarium databases, scientific research, real-time environmental monitoring, and advanced simulation models. In milliseconds, it identifies the core issues: nutrient imbalance, fish waste, leftover food, plant uptake, biofiltration limits, bacteria colony stability, water chemistry, drift, pH swings, hardness shifts, evaporation and mineral concentration, slow, silent killers, disease cycles, pathogen buildup over time. So how does the AI solve it? Real-time sensor grid. Ultra-precise sensors measure ammonia, nitrate, phosphate, pH, KH, GH, oxygen, CO2 every second. Microfluidic sensors detect even trace changes before problems start. Today, we already see early versions: CNI monitors, Mastertronic testers, pH controllers. AI-managed microbial balancing. Rather than relying on just nitrifying bacteria, the AI builds full microbial ecosystems: nitrifiers, denitrifiers, sulfur reducers, iron oxidizers, and even bacteriophages to control pathogen levels. The AI simulates billions of possible colony balances until finding the optimal mix for zero detectable waste. This mirrors real-world advances in bioremediation and engineered bacteria. Precision auto-dosing. The AI adjusts trace elements, buffers, and nutrients with nano-injectors. No more weekly ferts. Every plant receives exactly what it needs, exactly when needed. Today, we have Comoer dosers, Neptune DOS, but not at this precision level. Automated water rebalancing. Instead of full water changes, the AI uses micro-extraction and molecular filtration to pull specific compounds from the water. Replaces only what's necessary while preserving bacterial stability. In early stages, this resembles reverse osmosis combined with remineralization filters. Self-cleaning surfaces coatings prevent algae adhesion. Internal robot scrubbers handle glass, substrate, and decor cleaning autonomously. Think prototype as versions of existing algae magnets or robotic vacuums, but fully autonomous. Evaporation control. The AI controls humidity around the tank. Captures evaporated water, purifies it, and returns it to the system, maintaining constant mineral balance. Dynamic environmental simulation. Based on real-time analysis, the AI simulates environmental shifts seen in natural habitats, dry seasons, flood cycles, nutrient surges. This keeps fish and plants thriving, mimicking their evolutionary environment. 6 months later, Mr. X hasn't touched the tank. No water changes, no algae outbreaks, no deaths, no parameter swings. The tank runs itself better than any human could. The AI even anticipates minor parameter drifts before they begin, and self-corrects silently. Now let's pause. Could we build this system today? Not fully, but we're already seeing the pieces come together. AI-powered dosing controllers, continuous water monitors, engineered bacteria supplements, self-cleaning filtration systems, nanotech coatings, robotic tank cleaners. The super AI simply connects all the pieces into a unified, closed loop. It's a glimpse into where the hobby could head over the next 10, 20, even 30 years. The self-sustaining aquarium isn't pure science fiction. The technology exists. The real question is, should we let machines take full control of our hobby? Tell me in the comments. Would you trust an AI to fully run your tank? Or does that take away the joy of fish keeping? And don't forget to subscribe. Next episode, Mr. X asks the super AI to tackle the impossible, curing fish diseases before they even start.